OpenAI just solved a math problem that beat humans for 27 years. It cost $2,000, and you can check the proof yourself. Line by line, there's a catch, and it's a good one. 3 things here: what it actually solved, why the proof needs zero trust in OpenAI, and why the model that did it is currently locked in a vault. August 1st, OpenAI announces Astra, its next model family. Not a product launch, no demo, no pricing page, just 10 open problems solved. 10 problems across 6 fields: group theory, operator, algebras, quantum complexity, sphere packing, circuit complexity, the kind of list that usually takes a department a decade. The headline one is a group theory problem. Does there exist a non-sofic group? And I need about 40 seconds to tell you why that sentence matters. A group is a set of symmetries. Sofic means you can approximate that infinite thing with finite pieces. Arbitrarily well, almost every group anyone tried turned out to be sofic. So in 1999, Gromov asks the obvious question, are they all sofic? And for 27 years, the answer is a shrug. Nobody proves yes, nobody finds a counterexample. This is a bad kind of open problem. To settle it, you have to build one specific weird group and prove it cannot be approximated. You do not stumble into that. Astra built one. First explicit construction of a non-sofic group? The answer is no. Not every group is sofic. Now the number everyone quotes wrong. $2,000 is not the price of that one proof. It is OpenAI's estimated token cost for all 10 combined. $2,000 is a rounding error on a research grant. It is less than one conference trip. That is the part that should make you sit up, not the math. Normally, this is where I tell you to be skeptical. Company announces breakthrough, publishes a benchmark, marks its own homework. You have to take their word. Not this time. They put the proofs on GitHub, Apache 2.0 right here. OpenAI/10 proofs. 10 lean files, sphere packing, Connes rigidity, the permanent, and the one we care about, non-sofic group.lean. Lean 4 is a proof assistant. You write the argument in a language a computer can check. If it type checks, it is valid, not probably valid by construction. Lean has an escape hatch called sorry. It means trust me, this step works. A proof with a sorry in it proves nothing. The count across all 10 files is 0. So you can check it, install Elan, pull the MATLAB cache, build all 10, that is the whole ceremony. No benchmark to argue about, no eval to poke holes in. The machine either accepts the proof or it does not. That is a genuinely different kind of announcement. Okay, now the part that gets skipped in every video about this. Lean proves the proof follows from the axioms. It does not prove you stated the right theorem. A flawless proof of a slightly weaker claim type checks exactly the same. Which is why mathematicians are reading the statements, not the proofs, and why none of this has been peer-reviewed. Lean, verified, and refereed are not the same word. Reaction has been warm and careful. Timothy Gower's positive, but says it is still being digested. The open question is whether this is creativity or very sophisticated search over a very large learned corpus. So, 10 proofs, $2,000, all public. Obvious next question. Where do I get the model? You do not. On August 7th, OpenAI paused work on Astra, not delayed, paused. Internal testing said they could not rule out Astra hitting the critical capability level for cybersecurity under their own preparedness framework. Critical here has a specific meaning: autonomously finding and exploiting zero-day vulnerabilities in hardened real-world systems without a human driving. Same model. The thing that made it good at constructing a non-sofic group is the thing that makes it good at finding the one input your server forgot to check. It is also said to be the first model through trains, a federal pre-release review, roughly 30 days. Voluntary though, the government cannot actually block a launch. Release date, September was the guess before the pause after it. There is no date at all. So that is where we are. A model solved a 27-year-old problem for $2,000, published a 249-page receipt, and then got locked in a vault for being too good at the other thing. Mathematicians got the proofs. You get a changelog. Repo link is below. Go build it yourself. It is the most interesting thing you can do with an afternoon.